Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today got Model 1 Solid Cream 01 F.U.N Lacquer's Platinum Diamond again. And I have started off with iGel Beauty's base coat. This is a gel polish base coat, so you have to be very careful with it and make sure that you do a nice thin layer. And make sure you clean up around your nails real good before you cure it, because if you don't, it's a mess, I can tell you. I cap my free edge there. Alrighty, and here we go. We're gonna do our little cleanup. Got Woody out here. I always go through this step really well before I cure it. And here's the Model 1 Solid Cream. I'll be using the black one today, 001. And I'll also be using the little brush that came with it. It's number 6. Flat brush. And here we go. We're going to dip down in that pot and get some of that and apply it to the nail. And I really enjoyed the application process of this. It was very easy to use, and with no running, no pooling, no none of that. And I just kept brushing it on until I liked it. I'm trying to keep it rather thin. Got a hiccup in there. Oh, you know, I don't like doing any kind of gel polish stuff thick. It's just, I'm always worried about heat spikes. The thinner I go, the better I seem to do. Y'all, I'm sorry, I've got the hiccups somehow. Not like major full on, but, you know, little catch-ups in my get-up. I do like how this goes on and applies. I mean, it's getting really opaque really quick. And that's a really thin coat. I am going to go around the sides real quick and the tip, the free edge. Do that as well. And I did get that little piece under there before I did my curing. I'm going to clean it with my cleanup brush. And I'm just using alcohol for this. You don't have to use acetone or nail polish remover for this part. You can use alcohol when dealing with gels. I'm going to cure it under my lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to wipe it all down with some alcohol, mostly because I had something I needed to go do before I jumped to the next part, and I didn't want anything sticking to it, no fuzzies. This is F.U.N's Platinum Diamond Super Reflective Magnetic Gel Polish, and I've got my old China Glaze magnet out, and I'm just going to use the little star image on it. I'm going to do a thin coat of the F.U.N Lacquer polish. Being sure to do a thin coat and nice and even. Make sure everything's covered side to side, tip to top. And then I'm going to hold the magnet over it just for a couple of seconds. This is really reactive. It didn't take long at all for it to just, you know, jump right on in or do right. So it's like a star image, and I'm telling you, the camera does not do this polish justice. I will leave a link for JauntyJuli's YouTube channel down below where I saw this polish, and you'll see, if you watch her video, you'll see why I had to have it. It is so stunning. So here we go again. I'm going to do my cleanup, and then I'm going to do the magnet so that once I'm done magnet, I can pop it under my lamp real quick, under my UV LED lamp. So there we go. And I've cured that for 60 seconds, and I'll be using the iGel top coat, and it's very little. I am going to have to dip back in the jar just a little bit to get just a tad bit more than that, but I like to do super thin coats on my top coat as well. Love dealing with gel polish sometimes, because, you know, once it's cured, you can go to bed, no sheet marks, you can go take a bath, whatever. So occasionally it is fun to play with these. And if I wore my manicures longer, I would really be into it. So there we go. Gonna get Woody back out here. Hi Woody, how you doing? And then we're gonna cure this for 60 seconds. And then I'm gonna wipe it down again with alcohol and a lint-free wipe. And that'll be this manicure. I'm not going to stamp over it or anything. I know there's some of you out there that are probably shocked that I'm not, but I really just wanted to see the, you know, the bam of the, there we go. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.